Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Disconnect power and air from the reamer. Remove supplied cutter blade wrench from the side of the reamer. Slide the cutter blade wrench between the washer and the top of the spindle. Use a 5/8 wrench and place it on the flats of the cutter blade. Wedge the cutter blade wrench against the reamer frame, ensuring all fingers are out of the way. Remove the cutter blade and reuse the washer if in good condition, otherwise replace it. Ensure the cutter blade wrench is between the top of the spindle and the washer. Thread the new cutter blade into the spindle. Wedging the cutter blade wrench against the frame, use the 5/8 wrench to torque the cutter blade in place. Replace the cutter blade wrench back on the side of the reamer for future use. Reconnect power and air supply to the reamer.